It's already there. There you are. This is Sasol.
Okay, good morning all. Welcome to Secunda to Govan and Mbeki Association for the Development Day. Thank you for coming out. I know some of you have come far to join us early. Okay, like we promised, we won't let the regular guys play in a block with the other guys that came for the development. I think it's unfair towards the Mpumalanga gents. You'll kick their asses in any case. So we put you guys separate. Ladies as well, they got their own block. 4 of you. Was dat een song? Mine was net girls dag. Okay. Well, okay. Alright. Guys, we don't have many rules. It's just drinking out of the cars. Please, we can't do that. The security is going to be up and down, and then they can close down the association. So no drinking out of the vehicles, please. Food is fine. Yeah, okay. So if you want to buy food from Sasol, they will get us a menu for the food, or if you want to buy from outside. Guys, let's please try and keep to the times that we are given. Take a break if you have to, but if we need to go back, because some people have to drive far home again, can't drive in the dark, so let's keep to our time. I don't think it will take you guys that long to play. So from my side as a Mpumalanga President, welcome. We've got Vice President Gareth, most of you should know him. Wilma Development Officer, Liana is our Tournament Director, and Jessica our Finance Director. And then we're just short of our General Secretary. Unfortunately, she's busy with work in Nelspruit. She can't be here. Lizelle. Okay. So from Mpumalanga side, welcome guys. Thank you for supporting our Development Day. It's a day for fun. Please have fun within the rules. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure all of you know the rules that we are playing. G, anything from your side?
Two things. Hi everybody. Okay, so we have juniors amongst us. We know the rules and regulations that goes around bars and alcohol. So if there is a junior that wants a cool drink or something from the bar, please approach any adult. The adult will go get you a cool drink or whatever you need and bring it to you. We please ask that there be no juniors by the bar area today. And only cool drink juniors, sorry.
Wilma, from your side, seeing that's your day.
I'm also playing with the ladies, but I also will walk and help the new players that want help with the throw darts. And, yeah, and guys, enjoy its development. Don't be pressured by the other players. Enjoy the day. That's why we're here, and to promote darts.
Leon, on your side. Jessica. The girl guys, fine. Okay, we'd like to welcome Mr. Stephen Mapiki. He's from DSA. He's the development officer for DSA as well. Honoring us with his presence today. He said that the first guy that throws a 180 can get a board for free out of it. Guys, yeah, so from our side, just please enjoy the day, have fun. Let's hope we can all learn something from the darts, but most of all have fun. Yes,
no swearing.
Yeah.
One last thing guys, please, inside the playing hall, no drinking, no smoking. Those that do take a drink and take a smoke, please come and do it here outside. We allow water.
Yeah.
We will allow water in the playing venue, but that's it. Nothing else.
No cool drink.
No cool drink.
Okay guys, sorry, Stephen also just asked for an opportunity.
Yeah guys, from Dart South Africa side, thank you for inviting me, Wilma, for your Development Day. I must commend you on what you are doing in the province. I must also inform you that every month on time, Wilma is sending the development report. So she's one of the few where I always have to struggle to get development reports from provinces, but every month on time you'll see there's Wilma's report. She's submitting it. So thank you for all the hard work that you do in Mpumalanga. I know it's not easy, especially with the schools, the money that it costs you and all of that. So I would like to ask you guys as the Mpumalanga to try and support Wilma even financially, traveling and supporting her. You know, development is not something just for one person. Development will be much easier if everybody is involved, because if she's busy, she also has a personal life. Somebody else can assist as well. But development is a big part of our sport. This is where we develop our players for the future, and we want to say this is an all-inclusive sport. family, children, everybody we want to get involved. So yeah, it is nice, a nice family sport and development thereof to ensure that kids can still play when we're not around. But well done to the work, and then to the guys of the municipality that's here, Wilma, well done to them. And I also had a chat with them, and I think they will get more involved in the darts here in your area. Thank you very much for having me here, for all the arrangements that we had to make.
Thanks, Wilma.
Thanks.
Okay guys, so we'll call out the blocks.